Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. Karibuni tena kwa Main Mastery Tutor. Leo tutafanya quadratic equations KCSE 2024 paper 1, the correct version of it, and subscribe to the channel. Usisahau. Sawa, namba yangu ya simu ni hiyo, na very soon tutafanya hizo live sessions na also recorded sessions ambazo zitakusaidia mbeleni. Swali lasema the price of pens in a bookshop. Kumbuka hii swali yaweza tekelezwa na form 2 na form 3 na form 4. The price of pens in a bookshop changed in the months of February, March, and April. Price of a pen was 2 shillings less in the month of February than the price of a pen in the month of March. In the month of April, the price of a pen was 2 shillings more than the price of a pen in the month of March. The bookshop sold pens worth 4,200 shillings in February. In April, pens worth 4,000 shillings. The bookshop sold pens worth 4,200 shillings in February, In April, pens worth 4,500 shillings were sold. Take X shillings to be the price of a pen in March. Question A, write an expression in X for the number of pens sold by the bookshop in Roman 1 February. So Roman 1 February, Roman 2 April. Usijibu haya maswali ni rahisi sana. So tutafanya nini? Mwanzo highlight zile important notes, which is important words ni hizi hapa. 2 shilling less in the month of February. Okay? Na also in the month of April waliuza 2 shillings more. So hizi ni very important details. Tuanze sasa kujibu swali. Month of February, kupata nini number of pens using an expression of X, wachukua idadi ama pesa yote ambayo wamepata during the month of February, which is 4,200, divide by the price of the pen during that month, and the price of the pen was not X shillings, but it was 2 shillings less than that in March, so it is X minus 2. Sawa paka hapo. Kumbuka amount yote, total amount divide by your price. Simple. Ndio utapata expression yako. Haya, in the month of April, na confuse months pia. Haya, in the month of April aliuza kwa 4,500. Zote aliziuza kwa 4,500 divide by the price, and the price was 2 shillings more than that in March, so over X plus 2 pence. Total amount divided by the current price in that month. Question B, umeulizwa the bookshop sold 50 more pens in February than in April. Full stop. Determine the number of pens sold in February. Kumbuka hii ndo in February, hii ni April. Hii ndo kubwa. This is a bigger amount and this is the smaller amount. So usually kama unataka kupata equation, wachukua ile big, and your big amount of pens ni hiyo 4,200 divide by X minus 2, hiyo ndo month of February, wa subtract na ile ambao iliuzwa in the month of April, which is 4,500. Usikoroge sasa. Divide by X plus 2. A case scenario, let's say, kwa mfano, umenunua kwa bookshop, ilipata kuuza 150 pens in February, ikauza 100 pens in April. This means that the bookshop sold more pens, or sold 50 more pens in February than in April. This is just a case scenario, a good example. So wachukua ile kubwa, which is ile ambayo ya iko kwa February, wa subtract na ile ya April. Equal to what? The difference is 50. After that, multiply by the LCM of this 3. Wapo kuna over 1 pia. So multiply by its LCM. So LCM yake ni X minus 2 times X plus 2. Na hapa pia X minus 2 multiply by X plus 2. Na hapa the same scenario, X minus 2, X plus 2. Let's continue. So tunataka kutoa hizi denominators. So hapa x minus 2 multiply na LCM, hii na hii yatoka, tabakiwa na x plus 2. Therefore hiyo 4200 itakuwa multiply to x plus 2. Na hii x plus 2 itatoka na x plus 2 hapa, tabakiwa na hiyo x minus 2 minus 4400, therefore gets multiplied to x minus 2. Sawa. Na x minus 2 na x plus 2 hapa, there's no denominator that it can get eliminated with. Therefore, you multiply them kama kawaida. And how do you multiply them? The easiest way, unataka multiply a plus b, a minus b. You just take the square of a and the square of b, subtract them. So in our case, the square of x, so x squared, the square of 2 minus 4. So equal to 50 multiplied to x squared minus, sawa paka hapo. Open up the like term. So open up the expression. 4200 multiplied by x, 4200. 4200 multiplied by 2 gives you 8400. 4500 multiplied by x, kikumbuka kuna negative, so it gives you minus 4500x. And negative 4500 multiplied to negative 2, kumbuka zote mbili negative, therefore it gets to become positive, so it's 9000. So now your 50 times x squared, 50x squared, t times negative 4 ni negative 200. Sawa paka hapo. Collect the like term sasa. Your like term hapa kwa x ni hii hapa, so 4200x minus 4500x ni negative 300x, na hii ni hii hapa 8400 plus 9000 ni 17400 equal to 50x squared minus 200. So your expression should always be in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Therefore, this one is a quadratic equation. So, hizi zote, which is negative 300x, peleka on your right side. This one also on your right side. Therefore, your final equation should be this form. This is not final, but second final. It should start with 50x squared, sawa, and then followed by negative 300x, sawa, then followed by, kumbuka, then followed by negative 17400, kwa sababu imeenda the other side, minus 200 equal to 0. So 50x squared minus 300x minus 17600. Okay, remove this 50 from the x squared, so divide by 50 all out. So it becomes x squared minus 6x minus 352 equal to 0. Sawa paka hapa. Tumekosea pahali tena. Your minus 300x ukipeleka the other side, haiwi minus 300, but it becomes positive. So you want to solve this equation. Therefore, you solve it using sum product. So ukitumia sum product, yamaanisha wa factorize your equation. So your sum is the one which is katikati, which is 6. Your product, kama your coefficient for x squared is 1, your product just is the last number, which is negative 352. So there are two numbers. If I add them, gives me 6, and if I multiply them, it gives me 352. And the two numbers are just negative 16 and 22. So when you're factorizing, ni rahisi kufactorize kuliko kufanya ile process ndefu mafunzo high school. We just do this x minus 16. That's the first factor, first bracket. The other one x plus 22 equal to 0. Sawa paka hapo. Let's use this passing. So what does this mean? You want to solve for x. So it means that your first your first bracket here, you equate it to 0. So therefore your x becomes positive 16. While the other one, which is x plus 22, you also equate it to 0. But your x here becomes negative 22, inakuwa negative. So therefore hakuna price ambao ni negative kwa sababu x in the price. Yeah, right. So hatuwezi tumia, therefore ignore it. But your answer is not that one. Your answer, umeulizwa hapa kwenye swali, umeambiwa determine the number of pens sold in February. So, and the number of pens sold in February is represented by this expression, which is 4,200 divided by x minus 2. So, in which 4,200, if ukiwa replace x with 16, itakuwa 16 minus 2. So 4,200 divided by 14, your answer should give you 300 Kenya shillings. Sawa mpaka hapo. Remember, your answer for question B should give you 300 Kenya shillings. So when you take 4,200 divided by 14. So, tuende kwa question C sasa. Question C pia ni rahisi sana. Question C, umeambiwa percentage change in the number of pens sold by the bookshop in April compared to the number sold in February. Remember the mistake that I did in the last video, ilikuwa ni hii part 2 peke yake. So don't get confused. Ikiwa umewatch the last video, this is the only part that I did the mistake. Okay? So don't worry, the others are correct. Question C, umeambiwa determine the percentage change in the number of pens sold by the bookshop in April compared to the number sold in February. Therefore, if you want to get percentage change, take your change, okay, divide by your original amount or the amount that you're comparing with, multiply to 100. So your change is 50. Divide by your original or the number that you're comparing with, the 300. You're comparing it with the numbers sold in February. Multiply by 100. So, because ukiona hata iliuzwa February, so obviously mwezi hazisonga mbele haisongi nyuma. So ikisonga mbele paka April, 50 pens less were sold in April compared to February. So change yako itakuwa ni 50 divided by 3, which gives you, I think it's 16/3 if I'm not mistaken. You can confirm with the calculator, and I'm confirming with mine also, and the answer is 16/3%. Sawa mpaka hapo, 16/3%. So kindly don't forget to subscribe kama kawaida, share it to your friends, and also leave a like there, and also rectify me where it's possible, so you can comment down at that box there ambayo iko chini. So with that all, I want to thank you and also subscribe to the channel, and thanks to the one who rectified me, inshallah. May God bless you. So, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.